and today we're going to talk about the benefits of the wonderful Sorry. Oh, hello. Can I help you? Are you Miss JB Rose singing Vegan Mum? Do you mind if I step in for a minute and talk with you? Yeah, sure. Come in. Well, Miss Singing Vegan Mum, we have a complaint. The parking? No. Oh, the noise, the music, I'm sorry. Your social media audience has rung up the old station and they've said they're confused. I've never heard of a social media police before. The bottom line is, Miss Rose, they want to know which one are you and they want you to stick to it. Well, I've never had any complaints before. Never had any complaints, have you? No complaints before? Have you asked them before? Well, I'm a lifestyle brand, so it all kind of hangs together really, because the singing is uplifting and the food is again uplifting and hopefully informative and recipes, and I'm going to leave it there. Note that I've warned you. Speak to your audience about it. I don't want to be here again. Have a good day.